Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop applications from looking for nearby devices in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To prevent application from having access to our nearby device function, we have to go to Settings, then in Security and Privacy, under Privacy menu, we have Permission Manager. And here we are looking for nearby devices. Right now, 7 out of 18 installed applications on this phone are allowed to use our nearby devices function. Let's revoke our permission. Galaxy Wearable, do not allow, back out, and now our application is no longer allowed to have access to our nearby devices function. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.